My name is Norm Geolat, born and raised in Belleville. I'm presently 92 years old. I've been a gardener most of my life. I was raised on a 10-acre truck farm, and I'm still on a 2-acre farm out here in St. Clair County in Illinois. And I raise fruit trees and blackberries, and I raise kiwi, and I try to raise square watermelons, and I have a lot of variety of things in my garden. And I'm very happy at being 92 and pretty healthy. The square watermelon that I have with me here today, I was losing my eyesight. I lost one eye completely, my left eye, and I met a doctor in St. Louis, Dr. Holkamp, Nancy Holkamp, worldwide known, this doctor, and she looked at me and pointed her finger at me. She said, in 3 shots, I'm going to save your eye, Norm, in 3 shots. And I said to her, you save my eye, and I'm going to raise you a square watermelon. She said, a square watermelon? I said, yes, it takes a while to plant a seed, a normal seed watermelon, and I put it into a cage, loose that plastic big cage with hinges on it, and it grows inside of a cage, 2 doors to take it out. And so this doctor is in St. Louis, and I'm going to deliver this to her personally on Monday. I'm very happy with square watermelons. They're hard to raise. People don't think they are, but they are hard to raise. When the seed gets about a little bigger than your thumb, or your hand, or rather, you put it in this cage and it grows. You can get as many square watermelons as you like off of a plant. So you have to get them in the cage at the right time, and the stem goes out the bottom of the cage. Now, if you leave it in the cage too long, it can rot. The cage has sunlight to it, sunlight to the cage, and so you got to be careful with it. It's not a child's game. I don't have many people come up with $50 either, but it is a conversation piece that I thoroughly enjoy doing. No, I've been asked to do pumpkins and all kinds of things, and you only can do so much in one life, and I'm about to the end of the life. I think. I'm not sure, but I enjoy doing it, and it's a hobby or avocation or whatever you want to call it.